no weather radio's warning alarm, and a special communications test for dissemination of tsunami warning messages. Also, if you are participating in today's statewide earthquake drill as part of the West Coast Great Shakeout exercise, drop, cover, and hold, and follow your post-earthquake drill procedures. This is only a test. The following tones will conclude the test.
This has been kind of a really unusual season for Hawaii.
Yeah.